The Swagtron Swagger 5 electric scooter is an incredible electric scooter for hurdling around short separations around a school grounds. With 6 miles of runtime, 5 distinctive rigging speeds, and a strong plan, it unquestionably fills its need. Let's take a look at the main features and specification first, then discuss some pros and cons. Check our best adult electric scooters comparison and reviews. Swagtron Swagger 5 speed and capacity. When it comes to the more technical aspects of this scooter, there are some improvements and some slight downgrades from its two competitors. First of all, you have the top speed of 18 miles per hour, enough to leave the G-Autrax and the Glion in the dust. While I must say, 18 miles per hour is a bit excessive, I can't judge the people that want to let the horses run wild and open it up on the road. Just make sure you are keeping your eyes on the road and always wearing a helmet. The rugged aluminum frame can support riders up to 320 pounds, shattering the weight limits of the other foldable electric scooter for adults. If you're a larger rider, you may have no choice but to get this scooter. Very few electric scooters even come close to this weight capacity. Battery life and charging time of Swagtron Swagger 5. While there are many positive improvements to this scooter, there is one notable handicap worth mentioning, and that is the battery life and range. This is the one category that this scooter is sorely lacking, and it is a pretty important one. The range of this scooter is 12 miles, which means that it won't even last an hour on its highest settings. While this may be able to tackle most short commutes, there are many people that work farther away than this, and for that reason, this isn't a great option for everyone. That being said, the scooter only takes 3.5 hours to charge, so if you need to charge throughout the workday, this is no problem. Why you should buy it, and why not? If you work nearby and you are trying to save some money, this is the scooter you should buy. It comes with some important bonuses like a faster top speed and higher weight capacity. But with the small range, I cannot recommend it to anyone who works far away from home. There are scooters with better range for the same price. But all in all, this scooter gives you a ton of value for what you pay for. While we would have jumped at the chance to have seen an any longer battery life, particularly with different models available filling this need, we despite everything believe Swagtron Swagger 5 is a strong starter scooter. We are going to end this video right away. If you have any query or information to share, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.